Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, folks, welcome back. We're looking today at expanding double brackets and simplifying them. So this is an algebraic topic here. We're looking at double brackets and all the different variations of the signs with just x's in them, with squares in them, with 6x's and 3x's and numbers back to front and stuff. Let's have a look at how we're going to do these questions today. Right. Okay, let's start with the first question now. When we multiply out these brackets, we can use this technique called FOIL. Has anybody heard of FOIL?
No.
FOIL. I mean, now your mom uses FOIL for when she's doing cooking. Not that kind of FOIL, not that kitchen FOIL. This is mathematical FOIL. F stands for the front two. So x times by x, these are the front two of each bracket. That's F. X times by x is x squared. And then we do the outside two. These are the outside two. So the outside two. Okay, so now we have here is x times by plus 2.
Plus
2x. Now, we do the inside 2. I stands for inside. So plus 4 times by x. And then we do the L stands for the last 2. So plus 4 and plus 2 are the last 2 in each bracket. So plus 4 times by plus 2 is?
plus 8.
Plus 8. Now we do the simplifying. We simplify the like terms, and the like terms are right here in the middle. So we copy down the x squared because that doesn't simplify with anything else. But the plus 2x and the plus 4x simplifies to what?
It's going to be 6x.
Okay, thank you for telling the answer after I wrote it down. That's a good kind of answer there. So the final answer is x squared plus 6x plus 8 is the way that you multiply that out. Okay, let's try the next one. So we start again from the beginning here, the front two of each bracket. So x times by x. X times, so we're not writing that level down. We can write down if you like. But we can, so we do x times by x. If you want to, we just quickly write it in. Squeeze it in. Is x squared. And then we do x times by plus 2. So these are called the outside two. So x times by plus 2 plus 2x. And then we have minus 3 times by x
is minus 3x.
is minus 3x.
Is a minus and a plus a minus.
When you do minus times by plus, it gives you. Have we done that one yet?
Yeah, the second one.
No, we haven't done. We didn't do it. And the second question is x times by plus 2. It's no minus. Minus is now. We have minus 3 times by x is minus 3x. And then minus 3 times by plus 2 is. Minus 3 times by plus 2 is
Minus 6.
minus 6. And what do we do next?
You simplify
We
it.
simplify the x terms because they're the only terms that simplify. The numerical terms on its own and the x squared terms on its own. We copy them down first of all. And 2x minus 3x will give us
Minus x.
minus x. If you have 2 and you owe 3, then you. So this line here, the one I've done here, I'm going to miss out on all the future for the question. It just makes it quite messy. So, but we'll verbalize that part. So let's do the next part. You have x times by x is x squared. You have x times by minus 4, front 2, outside 2. X times by minus 4 is
Minus 4.
minus 4x. Okay. Next we have minus 3, the inside 2, minus 3 times by x is,
Minus 3x.
and minus last two in each bracket, minus 3 times by minus 4 is, minus 3 times by minus 4 is plus 12. When the signs are the
if
same.
it says minus, then you have to do the opposite. Like when
No,
you're doing it like that.
no,
See,
because
this is-
it's not because it says minus opposite. When the signs are the same and you multiply them, it becomes plus. A minus 3 times by a minus 4, the signs are the same, they become plus. Okay, now we need to simplify them. So we simplify the minus 4x and the minus 3x because that's called collecting like terms. We copy down the x squared, minus 4x minus 3x. Okay, yeah, is, everybody's quiet, minus 7x plus 12. Remember, we are adding them now. Okay, next one. So we multiply the front two, f. 4 times by 8 is 32. We multiply the outside two of the brackets. 4 times by minus x is minus 4x. Then we multiply the inside 2 minus x times by 8 is
8.
minus 8x, not 8x. Then we multiply the last two in each bracket. Minus x times by minus x is
Minus.
plus x squared. Now we need to simplify like terms. The like terms are the x term here in the middle. So minus 4x and minus 8x will give us
Minus 4x.
minus 12x. Well done. And the 32 gets copied down, and the plus x squared gets copied down because there's nothing more to simplify. You can write this one, change the order around. You can write down, for example, x squared minus 12x minus 12x plus 32. You can write that down, but we'll leave it there for the moment. Okay, are we getting the idea of this now?
Yes.
Is it making sense?
Yes. It is.
Right, let's do this one now. So you have 2x front 2x times by 2x is,
X squared.
we just done it, 4x squared.
What?
2x times by plus 2 is plus 4x. Mr. Ali, are you ready?
Yeah.
Plus 1 times by 2x is
2x.
plus 2x. Plus 1 times by plus 2 is
Plus 2.
plus 2. Now what do?
We collect.
We collect like terms. So the like terms are the x terms because they are the similar ones. The 4x squared is not similar to anything else. We just literally copy it down
That's semi.
Plus.
6.
and then copy down the plus 2, and we have finished that question. Okay, next question. Now what does 2x minus 1 squared mean? Okay, that's a family. So give me an intelligent answer, please, Mr. Fahmy. Anything squared means the same thing multiplied by itself. So 2x minus 1 squared doesn't mean double everything inside the bracket. It means write the bracket out again and multiply it. So 2x minus 1 means, okay, it means 2x minus 1 multiplied by itself. 2x minus 1. Okay, now let's do that then. So 2x times by 2x, front 2x times by 2x is
4x.
4x squared. Don't give me half an answer. So you have 2x now, the last two, sorry, the outside 2x times by minus 1 is minus 2x. Then we have the inside 2. Minus 1 times by 2x gives us
Minus 2x.
another minus 2x. Then we have the last two in each bracket. Minus 1 times by minus 1 is
Add 1.
plus 1. And the signs are the same in multiplying, the answer is always plus.
Plus.
Now we need to simplify like terms. There's only two like terms, which is the x terms. They are like. The 4x squared gets copied down because there's nothing to simplify with. The plus 1 gets copied down. Minus 2x, let's have Rukaya. Minus 2x gives us, you owe me 2x and you owe me another 2x, so altogether you what? Plus or minus 4x? Minus 4x. Well done. Okay, next one we have 4x minus 2 times by 3x plus 6. So let's multiply them out. So 4x times by 3x is front 2. That'll give you.
5x squared.
And then 4x times by plus 6 is.
24x.
Okay, don't forget family, we are multiplying them, no? And not adding them. You have minus 2 times by 3x is. Minus 2, so now the last two. So it's front, outside, inside, last two. Minus 2 times by plus 6 is.
Minus
12. Now we need to simplify the x terms together because they can be simplified. The 12x squared gets copied down. 24x minus 6x will give us, Mr. Ali.
I was gonna say.
Yeah. Minus 12 is copied down. Okay, next one. 6x times by 1.
6x.
So we multiply the front 2, the outside 2. 6x times by minus x is.
6.
Mr. Fahmy. What's 6x times by minus x?
Minus 6x.
Minus 6x what? Squared. Lovely. Don't give me half answers, Fahmy. Give me full answers. We have plus 1 times by 1 is? Plus 1. Plus 1 times by minus x is? What's plus 1 times by minus x?
Plus 1x.
Minus x. When the signs are differently multiplied, the answer is always minus. Come on, folks. You guys are really struggling in your negatives here today. Okay. Now, we can simplify the x terms. So the x term here is at the front over here and at the back. So 6x minus x will give us 5x. Minus 6x squared gets copied down, and so does the plus 1. And that's the end of that, our classwork. Now we've got about 20 minutes left to do some practice questions on these type style questions. Okay, folks, thank you very much for joining us in this video. I will see you inshallah in the next video. Okay.